Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe I'm sharing with you how to make orange, carrot and ginger juice. That's very easy to make, very refreshing, and it has a lot of health benefits as well. Let's get started. Orange protects your cells from damage. It helps your body to make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smoother skin. It also reduces heart diseases. So I went ahead to divide the orange into two, and then I took out the juice. So this is what you're looking for. Keep it aside and let's move to the carrots. Go ahead and peel your carrots and then cut it into smaller pieces. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section. So these are some health benefits for carrots as well. It improves your vision, gives you a better or a good skin. They also boost your brain health, and trust me, they has a lot of health benefits. So cut it into smaller pieces and keep it aside, and then let's move to the ginger. Ginger may lower your blood pressure and your blood sugar as well. So go ahead, cut them into smaller pieces, add it to your blender, add in the orange juice, and then I was having leftover tangerine, so I added it to it, which is totally optional. You can use only orange, and then added in some water, blended until it was smooth. So to sweeten it a little bit, I use honey. You can use white sugar, or you can avoid it if your orange are that sweet. So go ahead and blend it until smooth. Once done, all you have to do is to sieve it. So first I use a strainer to sieve it, and then I used a cheesecloth to sieve it as well. You want it that smooth. But when you are done, the chaffs, don't throw it away. I made cake out of this and it turned out so delicious. I'll be uploading that video later, so please stay tuned. All you have to do is to sieve it with your cheesecloth and make sure it's smooth as demonstrated in the video, and you are good to go. You can drink this like two times in a week or 3 times in a week, and trust me, it has a lot of health benefits, guys. You're going to love it. It is good for your health. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this was good to have this every morning, because it's so good for your health, guys. Don't forget to share, give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed. Brafia bude, kokulu brafia bude ho. Brafia bude.